Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Amazon Music app not working. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your Google Play Store and then search for Amazon Music and make sure you have the latest version of the Amazon. And guys, if this doesn't work, I have another method. Just go to your settings. Then over here on your settings, guys, just go to apps. And then from here on the apps, go to Amazon Music. As you can see here, it is on the first one. So just tap on it. And then from here, guys, all you have to do is go to the storage. And from here, make sure to clear the cache and also clear data. And then click OK. And then after that, guys, if it still doesn't work, all you have to do is try uninstalling the app. As you can see over here, click uninstall and then click OK. And once you have uninstalled the app, just go back to the Google Play Store and install it again. And there you go, guys. You should be able to fix your Amazon Music application. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.